When elephants rumble softly in their sleep, scientists aren't just observing a peaceful moment, they're deciphering the language of the animal's subconscious. These subtle sounds and movements are windows into their minds, suggesting that vast, complex worlds unfold when animals close their eyes. From the smallest mammal to the giants of the sea, sleep offers more than just rest. It's a stage where the day's events are replayed, processed, and perhaps even felt with surprising emotional depth. Evidence for animal dreaming is no longer confined to anecdotes of a dog's twitching paws. Scientific studies have revealed that a wide array of species, spanning mammals, birds, and even invertebrates like cephalopods, exhibit sleep patterns strikingly similar to human REM rapid eye movement sleep, the phase most associated with vivid dreaming. Researchers observing sleeping zebras in a protected reserve, for instance, noted their eyes darting back and forth beneath their lids, their legs occasionally kicking out as if galloping across the savanna. Similarly, studies on songbirds have shown that the same neural pathways used for singing during the day are reactivated during sleep, as if they're silently rehearsing their melodies. These behavioral and neurological clues strongly suggest that the dream world is not an exclusively human domain, but a shared biological phenomenon. Just as a good night's sleep helps us remember what we learned in class, it serves a crucial function for animals in consolidating memories. During sleep, the brain is hard at work, sifting through the day's experiences, reinforcing important information, and discarding the trivial. A foraging rat that successfully navigated a maze to find food will replay that specific neural sequence in its sleep, strengthening the memory of the route. This process, known as memory consolidation, is vital for survival. It helps a squirrel remember the location of its buried nuts, a predator refine its hunting techniques, and a young bird perfect its flight path. Sleep isn't passive downtime. It is an active mental workshop where skills are honed and a mental map of the world is updated and solidified, ensuring that lessons learned are not forgotten by morning. The twitching whiskers of a sleeping cat or the soft whimper of a dozing dog often lead us to wonder, are they feeling something? The science of animal dreams suggests the answer is a resounding yes. Dreaming may be a direct indicator that animals experience a rich tapestry of emotions, from joy and excitement to fear and anxiety. The parts of the brain associated with emotion in humans, such as the amygdala, are also active in many animals during REM sleep. It is plausible that a dog chasing a rabbit in its dream is experiencing the same thrill of the hunt it feels when awake. Conversely, an animal that had a stressful encounter with a predator might relive the fear in its sleep, a process that could help it develop better avoidance strategies. These dream-induced emotions are not just fleeting sensations, but are likely integral to how animals learn, adapt, and navigate their social and physical environments. While the fundamental mechanics of dreaming may be widespread, the expression and content of those dreams vary immensely across species, shaped by their unique biology and ecological niche. Elephants, with their massive brains and deep social bonds, are believed to have long, complex sleep cycles that could support equally intricate dream narratives, perhaps involving social interactions or memories of distant watering holes. Dogs, on the other hand, have shorter, more frequent dream cycles, with the content likely reflecting their sensory world, dominated by smell and sound. Birds, especially migratory species, might dream of long-distance flights, their brains replaying star patterns and magnetic fields used for navigation. Even octopuses, with their alien-like intelligence, show remarkable changes in skin color and texture during sleep, shifting from camouflage patterns to vibrant displays, which some scientists speculate could be the external manifestation of their dream content. At the heart of animal dreaming lies a fascinating parallel in brain activity. When scientists place electrodes on the scalps of sleeping animals, the resulting electroencephalogram EEG readings show patterns that are almost interchangeable with those of a dreaming human. During REM sleep, an animal's brain becomes highly active, mirroring a state of wakefulness. while the body remains largely paralyzed or safety mechanism to prevent it from physically acting out its dreams. This brain activity, characterized by high frequency, low amplitude waves, is the universal signature of the dream state. The fact that a mouse, a dolphin, and a human all share this fundamental neurological pattern points to a deep evolutionary origin for dreaming, suggesting it serves a purpose so vital that it has been conserved across hundreds of millions of years of evolution. Studying dreams in animals does more than just satisfy our curiosity about what our pets are thinking. It fundamentally reshapes our understanding of animal cognition and consciousness. These glimpses into their sleeping minds provide powerful evidence that animals possess inner worlds far more complex than we once assumed. Investigating how different species process memories, experience emotions, and construct realities in their sleep helps us chart the vast spectrum of intelligence across the animal kingdom. This research challenges the long-held notion of human exceptionalism, suggesting that consciousness is not a single, monolithic peak, but a diverse landscape with many peaks. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the dreaming brain, we learn not only about the animals we share our planet with, but also about the very nature of thought, emotion, and what it means to be a conscious being.